Regarding the delays to IR35 legislation, which have been delayed by a year to 2021, we have found that some small to medium-sized clients, where they were trying to switch the contractor from limited company to PAYE, have just automatically extended them via their limited company. What we have found also, though, with the larger banking groups in particular, or larger clients, where they have spent so much time and effort into reviewing IR35 and how they would approach it, they have decided to keep the blanket approach of contractors working PAYE, or in some cases via an umbrella company. I feel that the majority of those cases where they've kept them working PAYE is when the contractor was going to take the hit for the national insurance employer contribution, or us as a recruitment firm were potentially going to take it. If the bank were going to benefit from the IR35 legislation delay, then they may have considered switching the contractor back to limited company, but it's very much on a case-by-case basis. As the market is tight and some candidates are a little bit nervous, we are finding we're asked by both consultants and contractors how they can remain marketable in the current climate. And I would say probably being flexible with your approach to looking for your next contract or assignment is key to that. That may be from a payroll perspective in respect to looking at both fixed-term contracts and contracts on a daily rate basis, either PAYE, umbrella or limited company. And it also may be that candidates and consultants need to also tailor their CV very specifically to the roles that they're applying to, especially if they do have quite strong, broad experience, because their key skills need to be really drawn out, because clients really want to look for like matches to their interim needs. At the moment, we're fully aware that some candidates have been out of the market for a few weeks now, but we are seeing positive signs that there will be future hiring and near future hiring over the coming weeks. There are some permanent processes that have gone on hold, and there's also some functions that will be understaffed and will need some interim support. And I think that remote onboarding is now being seen as more of a norm, and I think that it's likely that there will need to be additional contract support for some of these financial services clients. I think in certain sectors it's a little bit more difficult to onboard people remotely, especially around sectors where they would find it difficult from perhaps a data privacy perspective, like the private banking sector. But actually, I think with the majority of clients, they are open to it now. We're now in week 4 of working from home at Danos, and in the last 3+ weeks, we've managed to onboard 6 contractors out into the market fully remotely. The candidates have been interviewed normally by video call. They may have seen more people within the team or met more people prior to starting. All of their onboarding has been done remotely. They've either been using their own IT or otherwise had laptops couriered to them, but actually the process has been quite seamless, and if clients are keen to hire quickly, they are moving the process forward. I know when the crisis first started, and we were told that we would need to work from home. I was concerned about contractors' well-being and having to still be in the office, or otherwise they wouldn't get paid. But actually, we can now say that all of our contractors that were working in March and then extended forward are all working from home, which is really good news.